Hey everybody on YouTube, it's Ariana. Hi everyone. Okay, so today is week number 4 of my post-op and I've got a lot to cover. First things first, the raffle. I am sorry that the video is late. I know that everybody has been waiting on this, especially people who entered in the raffle. So as you guys know, we are raffling off, I'm raffling off the OptiFast HP protein shakes. And earlier I put names into a bucket and I picked out a name, and this is the person, if I can get this in front, this is the name of the person that won the raffle. I'm sorry I didn't do it like Vicky and do individually, but I need to save time because I have a lot to talk about right now. Okay, so I'm going to unwrap this and I'm going to show it to you guys first. And we're going to see who won. Okay? So let's see here. Who won this? Can everybody see that? Everybody? You guys got that? Okay, so let's see who won here. Okay, so it looks like the winner of the OptiFast HP protein packets are going to be Hood Safai, also known as Samantha. So congratulations, Samantha. Congrats. We all wanted you to win that, and we're glad that you're the winner. You do need to message me your address so I can send those out to you. I'm probably going to be shipping them out on Tuesday. So definitely get that address to me and I'll get those sent over to you. Congratulations, Samantha, also known as Hood Sifai. Okay, so that takes care of the raffle portion. Congratulations to the raffle winner. Congrats. Okay, let's talk about me. Okay. Okay, so it's been a really up and down week for me. Good days, bad days, really bad day. So I'm gonna put you guys up for a little warning here. This is what happened to me. I don't know what's gonna happen to anybody else, but I'm gonna share my experience. For about 5 days, I was feeling some pain and discomfort, but that's not uncommon because sometimes, we have gas and whatnot. But come Wednesday, which is like the 4th or 5th day I was feeling that, I actually broke out in a fever. I had a fever of 103. I was nauseous, I had vomiting, and I couldn't drink water anymore. I couldn't drink anything anymore. It felt god-awful. Like I would drink it and then I would throw it up. I wasn't able to put anything down. I called my doctor. I wound up going to see my doctor. He admitted me into the hospital. He did a CT scan. I was allergic to the contrast of the CT that they inject into your vein for the CT scan. I didn't know at the time that I was allergic. I had an allergic reaction, and I stopped breathing. I pretty much blacked out. I don't really know what happened. I just woke up in my hospital room with a tube down my throat. I was intubated, and it really scared the hell out of me. What they did find, though, once I came to and I was aware of what was happening and going on and the fact that I scared the hell out of all the nurses, they wound up doing a different test to find out what was wrong with me, why I was having so much, pain and whatnot. Of course, the tube was removed. I was able to breathe on my own. I was okay. I learn now that I'm allergic to contrast. Okay, so they wound up doing another test and they found that I had a blockage in the lower part of my stomach, and that was causing a lot of the pain. What the blockage was from, I'm not even sure. I'm sure it was just, I didn't chew something properly. I swallowed it, except it really stuck to me. The doctor gave me medications and stuff to break down the food and break it down, and it eventually did pass. I wound up spending 2 days in the hospital for that. When I had bariatric surgery, I thought that, okay, I'm gonna get this and I want this done and this is, everything to me and I just so want it. But it's been a rough road for me. I haven't been doing things right, I think, and I'm learning as I go and I make mistakes. I really am trying not to scare the hell out of the community. This happens rarely, from what I understand from my doctor, that this happens. But I'm just glad that it's over and done with and it's removed and I'm able to go on and my life will continue to be better. It just really scared me because now I have anxiety. A lot of anxiety. I am worried that anything I eat will get stuck again and it will cause me so much pain. I'm having a hard time wanting to eat solid food because I'm so scared. And I talked to my doctor, about this. And he tells me you have to eat solid food because you need to progress. If you don't progress, then you're just going to cause yourself more harm. But how do I explain to my doctor and get it through his head that I can't? Because I'm really scared and nervous. So, I understand that I have a complex about it, but I'm going to force myself to do it, even though I'm really scared about it. I'm sorry. I am not a crybaby, but I am just really scared about it. My biggest fear is what happened, and didn't have a good time with it at all. I don't even know. I'm gonna stop rambling. So, I know that I shared with you guys that I'm in therapy, because, my life was shit for a long time, and my childhood was god-awful. So, of course I'm gonna go to therapy because I have to make sure that I don't treat my future children like this. Especially my stepdaughter. She's the love of my life, so I don't want her to have my problems upon her. So today I'm going to make myself eat tuna salad. That's a little bit more solid, closer to being solid, and I'm going to do that. But the problem is that before I sit down and I eat, I have a panic attack. I have a really bad panic attack where I hyperventilate and I get clammy and I freak out. I really freak out. So, I'm actually going to wind up seeing my therapist on Monday for this and probably see if I can get some help with this because I can't live my life in fear. I never have and I won't. I just think this really messed me up. Okay, good news though. Let's get past that and talk about the good stuff, okay? The good stuff is as you guys know, I'm a nurse. I'm an LVN, and I've been an LVN for a while. But I have actually got accepted into a nursing program for my RN. I recently just found this out this week, and I wanted to share this with you guys because this is something that's very positive for me, and I've worked really hard to get into this. Now that I've gotten accepted, I just need to figure out how I'm gonna, cover tuition and how that's gonna affect my work schedule. But it's good. It's just been a rough week, and I know that in time everything will pass, and I know that I will get over it, and I know I will cope, and I will get better. I am just looking for coping skills, and I am looking for help from you guys to try to help me break through this. So if anyone has any suggestions, if anyone can offer any words of encouragement, I'm going to need them. And believe me, I'm going to need them. Thanks everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos. I'm sorry I cried on this one. It's been a really crappy emotional week, good and bad. But I got into nursing school, and it starts in January, so at least I know that I have something to look forward to. And congratulations to Hootsupply for winning the OptiFast. It's great. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to get off this thing now because I think I've just said everything I can say. It's been a week. I posted my new weight on my About Me. You guys can check that out there. Alright everybody on YouTube, take care. Everyone be safe. Stay strong. Never give up the good fight. Bye.